this is Keely with Toyota of Keene, and this is the 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE. The 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE has plenty of power. With a 203 horsepower, 2.5-liter, 4-cylinder engine, you get a direct shift, 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission with intelligence. You get normal, eco, and sport drive modes. You get up to 33 miles per gallon, and you get a 1,500-pound towing capacity. Here on the exterior, you get multi-LED headlights, chrome bezels, automatic high beams, and the auto on-off feature. You get 17-inch 5-spoke silver alloy wheels. You get the power outside mirrors with the folding features. You get low-profile black painted roof rails, and you get up to over 69 cubic feet of cargo space.
Here on the interior, you get a 7-inch touchscreen with hands-free phone capability and advanced voice recognition. You get Bluetooth wireless technology with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You get the integrated backup camera with your projected path. You get 6 speakers and a USB media port, and you get up to over 98 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Toyota RAV4 XLE gets Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which gives you some awesome safety tech, like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar adaptive cruise control, automatic high beams, and so much more.
So if you're thinking about the 2020 Toyota RAV4, the XLE might have all the power you need, so come on down to Toyota of Keene, 591 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at toyotakeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!